There's a guy backed into my car 2 weeks ago. He had no insurance. He wanted to pay cash. Says he did get a ticket. Can my insurance still go after him? So she files a claim, which hopefully she has coverage.
Well, if your insurance paid for your property damage, then yes, they're probably going to go after them, trying to recover their money.
Yep.
And the good news is they have to recover your deductible as well.
Yeah.
They have to pay you that back as part of the lawsuit.
Yeah, you're exactly right. So and that's the key is we talk about this, almost every week. Mm-hmm. Having uninsured motorist coverage is so vitally important, in Mississippi, since we in Florida battle for the most uninsured drivers in the state. Because unfortunately, we see that more often than not, where we get hired all the time, and we end up, the adverse has no insurance and our client has no coverage, so there's no insurance to go after at that point.
Or worse than that, when you have a very serious injury, like we've got one right now, and the whole universe is only $50,000 in insurance.
Yep.
No one has assets. Mm-hmm. There's no assets to go after. And you have to explain unfortunately, tell the client the truth. You're entitled to a lot more money.
Yep.
I can't find it. We can file suit and take our chances if you want to do that, or you can accept the $50,000, and it's just not fair.
Yeah.
But that's just the reality. She did not have enough uninsured motorist coverage to protect herself from someone who had no insurance, not enough insurance.
Yep,
that's so true.
Yeah,
and I think a huge thing that I've been telling, especially the people in my generation, is that insurance overall is important, but specifically car insurance. And a lot of people in my generation, because of this instant gratification, they're like, well, I'm paying all this money out, but what if I never get into a car wreck for years and years? And I always tell them it's better to have it and know that if something happens, you'd be covered than to not have it and then be set back financially for those same years and years without it. So
I have a question. Have you ever been in a car accident?
I have.
Have you ever been in a car accident?
I have been in two. Been rear-ended twice.
So I'm just saying that I think I was reading something that in a person's lifetime they have 1.72 car accidents.
I'm above average.
Yeah. So,
that's right.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to be in a car accident more likely than not. It's pretty rare that you don't.
That's true.
So you definitely need the insurance to protect yourself and your family, by the way. Uninsured motorist doesn't only protect you, but it protects everyone in your family that's in a car accident. So definitely look at uninsured motorists to increase the amount you have in coverage.